Daku ang pagsalig ni kanhi Dutch Foreign Minister ug chair sa P4P Foundation, Bert Koenders, nga pinaagi sa Lig-on nga implementasyon sa mga sumbanan sa kalinaw matagamtaman sa katawhan dili lang sa Pilipinas apan sa tibuok kalibutan ang malungtaron nga kalinaw. Kini ang gibutyag ni Koenders ato sa paglusad sa Principle for Peace Southeast Asia kagahapon sa buntag sa Davao City nga gitambungan sa advocates gikan sa Southeast Asia ug Europe. Sumala kang Koenders nga ang paglusad sa Principle for Peace naninguha sa pagpangita ug tinud-anay nga solusyon sa conflict kung panagbangi hilabi na sa Bangsamoro Region aron masustener ang kalinaw.
I think there is light at the end of the tunnel of a peace process because you are in time. We knew there were some delays also because of COVID and other reasons, but there are also risks. And it's better to be aware of those risks early on. So when it comes to the principled approach that we have as the International Commission on Principles for Peace, it's around a few key areas. One is legitimacy, preparing yourself for local elections, peaceful local elections, and the elections in 2025. Second, accountable security, which means that the risks that there are to the security of people are reduced, that it is part of the measurement of the peace process. And the third I would mention, but there are others, is the whole issue of inclusivity and peace dividends, so that also we have people from businesses here as well, that people reap the benefits from a peace process, that it's not something far away from them, but that it's a new investment, a new, if you wish, engagement for peace in the Bangsamoro.
Nakita sab sa chair sa P4P Foundation nga usa ka paglaom ang Bangsamoro Region nga naningkamot aron makab-ot ang tinuod nga kalinaw. Gilaraw sa Principles for Peace nga makab-ot ang malungtaron nga kalinaw kung adunay pakiglambigit sa gobyerno, academe, faith-based organizations, civil society, international non-governmental organizations ug advocates nga anaay tagsa-tagsa ka mga mahinungdanong papel sa pagkab-ot sa gitingwa ang kalinaw.
Bangsamoro is a hope, but the hope can only be fulfilled if everybody is very alert on the risks right now and invests. And that's why you can only do that not with a toolbox. You also need to get the engagement of civil society, of government, of the different groups, and try to reduce tension and to make sure that implementation is in fact sped up.
Sugyot ni Koenders sa tanan.
It's crucial that with the positive peace agreement, there is now momentum around the peace dividend, that people get food on the table, and that there is progress on all these difficult issues. And there is hope for that, by the way. But I think it might also be good to ensure that the monitoring of this is well done, so that people can actually see what is the progress there, what should be done there, what's the next action needed here. I think that creates the hope for light at the end of the tunnel, a proper third-party monitoring process.
Matud kang Muhagar Iqbal, ang kanhi Moro Islamic Liberation Front Peace Panel Chair ug kasamtangan nga Bangsamoro Minister sa Basic, Higher ug Technical Education nga bisan pa man nga dunay daghang hagit sa pagkabot sa tinuod nga kalinaw, kinahanglan magpabilin nga lig-on ang pag-implementa sa peace agreement.
In terms of implementation, there are challenges. It's not a question of a straight line implementation. There are ups and downs, twists and turns along the way. But that would require the commitment, dedication, and creativity of the two parties. It's not true to say that when you are through with the formal negotiation, everything is easy. Everything is easy, especially in terms of implementation. That's why if you look at the comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro, one of the provisions is that there should be or there must be unilateral implementation of agreement. It has to always to be bilateral and joint.
Naglaom si Koenders ug Iqbal nga ang panaghiusa, pagsinabtanay ug respeto ang tinuod nga susi sa malungtaron nga kalinaw dili lang sa Bangsamoro Region apan sa tibuok kalibutan. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe.